While this roller may look extreme, it's just an extremely effective and simple way to flush lactic acid and toxins from your muscle tissues after a workout or a run. The Gimme 10 textured massage roller offers you multiple massage zones so you can get a wide array of manipulations to your soft tissue. The massage roller uses its bumps to gently penetrate your soft tissue, stretching short muscle fibers, flushing harmful lactic acid buildups, and undoing the damage caused by exercise.
Those cheap, smooth foam rollers are too hard and can only compress muscle tissue. I patented massaging texture spreads and pinches muscle tissue to soothe knots, just like an expensive professional sports massage. Release knots and painful adhesions in your quads, hamstrings, triceps, glutes, upper back, or the arches of your feet. Great as an anti-cellulite tool for the back of your legs or buttocks, but also great to treat the muscles that lead to lower back pain.
Your 321 Strong Solid Core Foam Roller uses patented technology to deliver a therapeutic massage just like you'd get from the therapist, but in the comfort of your own home. Its 3 unique massage zones replicate the thumbs, fingers, and palms of a therapist's hands, so you can get the exact massage you're looking for. The different zones apply pressure in varying degrees of density, encouraging muscles to release stored lactic acid, kinks, and knots. Not only do they feel great, they also help to increase blood flow and circulation to problem areas, reducing recovery time. With regular use, you can increase mobility, range of motion, and flexibility. Built to last, our Solid Core EVA foam roller is made from top-grade materials and won't lose its shape over time, even with daily use. Its lightweight materials make transport easy, and its unique design allows you to properly focus pressure on the affected areas. Its compact size also allows you to target specific muscle groups and pain points. Use your roller before and after workouts to see the same benefits as a deep tissue massage, smoothing knots, removing adhesions, and painful trigger points. Users of all fitness levels see the same benefits: relief for sore muscles, sciatica, plantar fasciitis, back pain, shin splints, and scar tissue. The 500-pound rating supports all body types while maintaining consistent resistance, allowing you to use your own body weight to control the massage intensity. Your 321 Strong 5-in-1 Massage Roller Kit includes everything you need to stretch out before your workout and help your body to recover afterward. It all starts with our patented triple zone massage roller with built-in storage, perfect for hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. Target small and hard-to-reach areas with our massage stick. Bring relief to the arches of your feet with our spiky ball. Flush away lactic acid with our double lacrosse peanut, and take your stretching to the next level with our multi-loop stretching strap. Having the right tool for the job is key, and this set has everything you need for head-to-toe self-myofascial release and deep tissue trigger point massage.